Hello and welcome to English Parchment. I am very happy to see you here. Today we are going to learn English in a very special way. This method is called Learn English Through Stories. It is simple and effective. You listen to the story, you read the text on the screen, and your brain remembers new words naturally. You don't need to study boring grammar rules. You just need to listen and enjoy. Before we start, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. This helps us create more videos for you. Also, stay with us until the end of the video. At the end, I have a special gift for you to help you speak English faster. Do you want to change your life? Do you want to be successful, healthy, and happy? Many people think they need big changes, but they are wrong. Today, you will learn the secret of small steps. This secret can change your world in 1 year. Watch until the end to see how one small habit changed everything for a man named Tom. The Power of Habits. Chapter 1. Tom's Sad Morning. Tom is 30 years old. He lives in a small apartment. Every morning, Tom feels tired. His alarm clock rings at 7 o'clock. Tom hits the snooze button. He sleeps for 10 more minutes. Then he hits the button again. When he finally gets up, he has no time. He does not eat breakfast. He drinks a quick coffee and runs to work. At work, Tom is not happy. He works in an office. He sits at a desk all day. He eats fast food for lunch. In the evening, he comes home and feels very tired. He sits on the sofa and watches TV for 4 hours. He eats chips and drinks soda. He wants to be healthy. He wants to learn a new language. But he always says, "I don't have time. I am too tired." Chapter 2. The Old Book. One Saturday, Tom goes to a small park. He sees an old man sitting on a bench. The old man is reading a book. He looks very healthy and happy. Tom sits next to him. "Hello," Tom says. "Why are you so happy?" The old man smiles. "I have good habits," he says. "But habits are hard," Tom says. "I want to exercise, but it is difficult. I want to study, but I have no energy." The old man gives Tom his book. The title is The 1% Rule. "Read this," the old man says. "Don't try to be perfect. Just try to be 1% better every day. Small steps give big results." Chapter 3. The First Small Step. Tom goes home. He thinks about the 1% rule. He thinks, "What is 1% of my day? It is only 15 minutes. I can do 15 minutes. The next morning, the alarm rings at 7 o'clock. Tom wants to hit the snooze button, but he remembers the old man. He gets out of bed immediately. That is his first small victory. He does not go to the gym for 2 hours. That is too hard. Instead, he does only 5 push-ups. It takes 1 minute. That was easy, Tom thinks. Then he opens an English book. He reads only 1 page. He learns only 3 new words. At work, he does not buy a big burger. He buys a small salad and an apple. Chapter 4. The Power of Repetition. 1 week passes. Tom feels a little better. He continues his small habits. Every morning. 1. Get up at 7 o'clock. 2. 5 push-ups. 3. Read 1 page of English. 4. Eat 1 fruit. Sometimes Tom is lazy. He thinks, it's only 1 page. It doesn't matter if I don't read it today. But then he remembers. The 1% rule is about consistency. So he reads the page. He realizes that habits are like seeds. You plant a small seed. You give it a little water every day. You don't see a tree immediately, but after a long time, the tree grows very big. Chapter 5. 2 months later. It is now 2 months later. Tom is a different man. He does not do 5 push-ups now. He does 50 push-ups. It is easy for him now because his body is stronger. He does not read 1 page of English. He reads 10 pages every day. He listens to English stories like this one on his way to work. His boss at the office notices a change. "Tom, you have a lot of energy," the boss says. Tom smiles. He feels proud. He does not watch TV for 4 hours anymore. He watches for 1 hour and then he goes for a walk. Chapter 6. The Plateau of Results. One day, Tom feels sad. He looks in the mirror. He is healthier, but he is not a superstar yet. He thinks, I am working hard, but where are the big results? He goes back to the park. The old man is there again. I am doing my habits, Tom says. But I am not rich or famous yet. The old man laughs. A habit is like an ice cube, he says. Imagine a cold room. It is 25 degrees. You warm the room to 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 degrees. The ice does not melt. But then you reach 32 degrees. Suddenly the ice melts. The change happens because of all the previous degrees. Don't stop now. You are at 31 degrees. Chapter 7. 1 year later. 1 year has passed since Tom met the old man. Tom's life is completely different. He is fit and strong. He lost 15 kilos. He speaks English very well. He can talk to people from all over the world. Because he speaks English, his boss gave him a promotion. Now Tom has a better job and more money. He started a small blog about habits. Thousands of people read his stories. Tom is happy, not because his life is perfect, but because he knows he is growing. Chapter 8. Your turn. You are like Tom. You are watching this video. That is a small step. You are learning English right now. Don't try to learn 1,000 words today. Just learn 5. Don't try to run a marathon. Just walk for 10 minutes. The power of habits is in the small. Small things done every day create a big life. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this story until the end. You are now 1% better in English than you were 20 minutes ago. As I promised, I have a gift for you. In the description of this video, you will find a link to a habit tracker and a list of the 50 most important words from this story. Download them for free and start your journey today. Please tell me in the comments, what is one small habit you want to start tomorrow? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Parchment. See you in the next story.